We acknowledge the traditional owners of the land on which we meet today and pay our respects to the elders, past, present, and emerging.
Welcome to Week 2 Assembly. I hope you enjoy it.
Hi everyone, it's Mr. Cuss. I'm here to do the awards and I've got Millie to help me as well. Alright, today our first winner is Aman from FM for being a respectful and friendly member of the Fleetwood community. Next is Alyssa from F1M for coming to all our Google Meets with a smile and bringing such positive energy. From 1L we have Kalani for her enthusiasm and fabulous reading during our online reading groups. Great work. From 12AM we have Tate for being a multiplication superstar. From 2M we have Gabrielle for his superstar effort completing his online work each day. Love to hear that. From 3R we have Marley. Marley Lee for displaying confidence and enthusiasm while sharing during our Google Meets. It's really great when people share during the Google Meets. From 3-4P we have Jackson for putting in an incredible amount of effort with his home learning tasks and using fantastic ICT skills to present his work. So many kids have so many fabulous computer skills now. It's such a benefit of all this work you've done online. Next, from 4D we have Mason for his positive commitment to completing his work each day to the best of his ability. Well done. It is really hard to try your hardest during remote learning, so we're super proud of those of you who do. From 4R we have Zena, and I hope your little sister's walking well at the moment, Zena, for trying your very best and successfully completing most of your work online to a high standard every day. From 5C we have Aisha for trying her best in all subject areas and giving everything a go during our meetings. From 6G we have Khalid for completing all of his online work to a high standard every day. And lastly, in 6R we have Sam for being a respectful and dedicated online learner who always gives 100%. We've also got another award, and that's for 100 Nights of Reading for Derek, so well done Derek. Alright, congratulations to all of our winners this week. What do we say, Millie?
Thank you.
No, say congratulations.
Congratulations.
Okay, bye.
Bye-bye.
Everyone, you there? Can you hear me? Can you turn your camera on, please? I can't see your faces. I'm here.
Yeah,
But I can't see you. We can see you. But I can't see you. Can you turn your camera on, please?
yeah, we got you.
We're here.
Hi everyone! In grade 5-6 we've been learning about poetry, and we've got some people here to read out their poems about dogs.
There was an old bulldog who loved to eat hot dogs. He pulled on his lead and did bad deeds indeed. Such a big grumpy dog.
Cuddly bulldog, as ugly as a bullfrog, playful and kind, the best dog you can find. My bulldog, the bullfrog.
Alright, hi everyone. 5D have been working on some poetry this week, so we'd like to share some with you.
Hi, I'm doing an ode about ice cream, a delectable delicacy, as satisfying as an intricate snowflake extending gracefully. You're like heaven on a cone, My heart begs to devour you. Oh, ice cream, you're a day brightener.
Hi, I'm gonna be doing a sheet poem. A light, a bright one, up in the sky, twinkling all night, soaring above us and descending into the sky.
I am going to be doing a ballad poem. I went for a run to the playground one day, and what do you think I found? A creepy house stuck in the ground and 2 creepy dolls on the ground. I walked up to the dolls, and what do you think I did? I touched both of them and they came alive. I ran away, but I still died.
What was your favourite thing to do during remote learning? So your favourite activity?
Sport. Making fruit salads. Doing math and Olympic work. Doing the word churches.
What are you looking forward to most about returning to school after remote learning?
Playing with my friends. Seeing everybody face to face. Being in the classroom and seeing my friends and you. To be with my friends and to finish my work on time.
Learning more work and seeing my friends.
What are you most looking forward to about coming back to school?
I'm looking forward to learn a lot of stuff.
Seeing all the teachers. You and Miss I forgot.
You mean Miss Melville? Yeah, awesome.
To seeing my lovely teachers.
That's so nice. Thank you.
So I'm getting forward to going to school and meeting my friends and family. Study.
Awesome. Thanks,
I
Liz.
do like study.
Yeah, so learning.
That's my favorite. I'm looking forward to going back to school because I really want to see my beautiful teachers.
I'm looking forward to seeing everybody in the class.
Seeing all my friends and seeing my beautiful teachers. Looking forward to learning math better.
Well, I'm looking forward to not becoming cold in the mornings and meeting everyone in class.
To play with my friends for teachers. Play with all my friends.
Awesome.
That I'm so excited to get back to school because I'm excited to be off the computer and just see everyone in real life. But I'm also a little bit worried that I might forget some of my snacks or my lunch or my laptop. I might forget my shoes. I don't know. I haven't been out of the house for so long. How do you feel about going back to school next week?
I feel kind of nervous, happy, and mostly excited, but I'm mostly nervous.
And how do you feel about going back to school next week?
I feel excited and I feel very happy because I'm going back to school, not online. I feel excited and good because I get to see all my friends again and we get to play outside. Happy
Why do you feel happy?
because I get to play with my friends.
Who is excited to see their friends? Who is excited to see their teachers? Who is excited to play on the playground? Who's excited to do lots of schoolwork?
Hi everybody, it's Miss Monahan and I'm concluding the assembly for this week. Thank you to everyone that's contributed something to this week's assembly and in particular to Wendy and for Miss Mortier for putting it together. We definitely couldn't do it without you. Before we go though, term 4. means there's some reminders. One being, we need our hats on outside, everybody, so hopefully you've got yours. A new rule is that we need students in grades 3 to 6 to be wearing their face masks, so please bring them along and that you're wearing them. And for when we start back, classrooms will be open from 8:45, and we're asking that children come in from the gates into the school, just be staff and students on the school grounds, and students will be dismissed at their usual time and they will be meeting their families at the gate that they need to. We're starting back from next week, so we're so excited to have some classes happening again, and we're starting off with the foundations, and they're here Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and our grade 1 and 2 students on Thursday, Friday. We cannot wait to see you all, can't wait till we're all back together again. Be good, take care, and be safe. Hopefully we see you all soon. Bye. Hi everybody.
Hi,